Meaning of desultory.
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 Desultory. The word desultory refers to something that is lacking in consistency, purpose, or direction. It can be used to describe actions, conversations, or thoughts that are disconnected or haphazard in nature. A desultory effort may produce unsatisfying or incomplete results, as there was no clear aim or plan in place. Similarly, a desultory conversation may jump from topic to topic without any meaningful conclusion. Overall, the term desultory implies a lack of focus or commitment, and suggests a need for greater attention and direction.